So this is my project plan for my personal organizer app. This is my web application for my personal organizer design, the design of the web app. It shows the layout, the page, and the databases that are linked, and then it also shows the security measures that I took into account when coding and creating the application. So this is the sign-in section, and the database that retains the user details. In order for the user to sign up, they have to provide a complex enough password, and then when the passwords are committed to the database, they are hashed and salted as well. Once signed up or logged in, the session then is the user then has access to the rest of the application. To manage session security, a secret key is used for cookie tampering, and we also have this SQL Academy database URI securely connects the app to the database, and the user also has the option to log out as well. When the user is logged in, they have access to these pages which commit data to each of these databases here. There is also a search page which allows the user to search each of the databases for a keyword. To protect against SQL injection, there is some input sanitization on some of the inputs. The code for my web application is found on a GitHub repository. A link is provided in the report. There's also a README document that's in the appendix in the report, and it's on the GitHub repository that explains how to set up and run the application. This is the appendix in the report that explains how to set up the directories and run the application within Visual Studio Code. I'm going to demonstrate the running of the application and the functions of the application. When the code is downloaded from GitHub and set up as per the repositories, open the terminal and you want to click on python.main.py like so. It creates a local URL, so if you press Control and hit the URL, it'll open up the application like so. So in the sign up, a new user can set up and sign up. So setting up a fictitious name and the password as password29 and hit submit, and notice that we get the following error because the password is not complex enough as per the requirements as mentioned here in the design. We can see here it instructs the user how to create the password. So a more complex password is created, and when we hit submit, we get entered here into the main section of the app. Notice that the user now has access to other parts of the application, and it is a blank setup. User can also log out, so if I log out, and it brings us back to the main sign up page. Attempting a common SQL injection in the login, notice that it's protected against this from input sanitization as per the design of the web application. So logging in as an existing user. As you can see, we have access now to other pages within the website. So we have My Notes, allows the user to add notes. So as an example, and this is saved to a database, and also as well the user can delete existing notes. And again, this is saved. This is the About Me section, so that's just my CV. There is the My Joke section. Like the notes section, the user can add notes to, or can add jokes, for example, and save them to their profile in the app. There's My Videos. The users can upload a title and a video to save on the app. So this is a YouTube channel I've created for work where I upload some of my work. I've created a playlist for some basic HTML. So if I select a HTML, so in this lesson we're going to video, I can copy the URL. I can upload the URL into my app, give it a title, and then I can upload. And we can see here that it uploads it to the application. I can delete any of the videos in here as well that I don't want to keep. So as an example, if I click delete, it gets rid of it and it keeps the one that I want to keep. I have a similar section for my memes. It allows me to upload memes and store them in the profile in the app. As an example, if I go to choose file, and if I go to memes, and I can pick a meme, and if I hit upload, it'll upload it onto the website, or into the web app, and it'll save it there until I delete it. If I want to delete a meme, I can just click on the X button here and that will delete it. There's also the search function. This allows the user to search all of the databases for each section. As a demonstration, if I search the keyword HTML, I click on search, it shows that there's a result found in the My Videos database, which is this here. And again, the user can log out as well, as we see here. So again, within the app, here are the pages, they're linked to the databases, and the information is retrieved back and forth between these. This is a search page, and it searches all of the other databases. And these are some of the security measures that are in place in order to protect session management. And that is my web app, which is a personal organizer. Thank you for listening.